Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. In the previous video, we have started with the chapter of solutions in which I have discussed about the concentrations and methods of expressing concentration. Today, I will discuss the relation between these concentration terms. So today's topic of discussion is relation between concentration terms. Now, this video is very important in terms of your competition exam also. So watch this video carefully. Now first we will discuss the relation between strength and molarity. Now strength is equal to the mass of solute in grams upon volume of solution in liters, and molarity is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Now number of moles of solute, number of moles, this is equal to mass in grams upon molar mass. Now substituting this value of number of moles, mass in grams upon molar mass in this molarity equation, molarity comes out mass in grams upon molar mass into volume in liters. Now mass in grams upon volume in liter, this is equal to the strength, mass in grams upon volume. So molarity is equal to strength upon molar mass, or strength is equal to molarity into molar mass. So this is the relation between strength and molarity. Next relation we will be discussing is the relation between mass percent and molarity. Relation between mass percent and molarity. Now mass percent is the mass in grams upon the mass of solution into 100. This you can see in my previous video. Now let a solution, let the solution has density D gram per milliliter. Let the solution has density D gram per milliliter and mass percentage is X percent. X percent means X gram of solute in 100 gram of solution. X gram of solute in 100 gram of solution is the mass percentage. Now density is equal to mass upon volume, or mass is equal to density into volume. Mass is equal to density into volume. Now using this mass is equal to density into volume, mass of 1 liter solution, mass of 1 liter solution is the 1 liter means 1000 ml into density d gram per ml. So this comes out to be 1000 d grams. Mass of 1 liter solution is 1000 d grams. Now mass of solute in 1 liter solution. Mass of solute in 1 liter solution. Now x gram is present in 100 gram, x percentage. So x percent into 1000 d. So it cuts and it will be x into 10d. This is the mass of solute in 1 liter solution. Now number of moles of solute. In 1 liter solution, number of moles of solute in 1 liter solution is the mass of solute in 1 liter upon molar mass. So x 10d upon mb. mb is the molar mass of solute. So this will gives you the number of moles in 1 liter solution, and number of moles in 1 liter solution is equal to the molarity. So this is equal to the molarity of the solution. So remember this formula. Molarity is equal to x 10d upon mb, where x is the mass percentage, d is density, and mb is the molar mass of solute. Next we will be discussing the relation between, third is relation between mass percentage and molality. Mass percentage and molality. Now molality is number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in grams multiplied by 1000. Now let x is mass percent of solution. Now this means that x gram of solute is present in 100 gram solution. So mass of solution is 100 gram, mass of solute is x gram, then mass of solvent will be 100 minus x gram. Now molality is the number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in gram into 1000. Number of moles of solute is the mass in grams upon molar mass. Mass in grams, mass of solute is x gram, molar mass is mb. Now substituting this number of moles in this equation, molality is equal to mass in grams upon molar mass into mass of solvent in grams into 1000, or molality m is equal to x, this is x, into 1000 upon molar mass is mb into mass of solvent in grams. Mass of solvent is 100 minus x. 100 minus x. So this is the relation between molality and the mass percentage. X is mass percentage and m is molality. Next is the relation between, fourth part is the relation between mole fraction and molality. Mole fraction and molality. Now let xb and xa are mole fractions of solute and solvent respectively, where xb is equal to nb upon na plus nb and xa is equal to na upon na plus nb, where na and nb are number of moles of A and B, that is solvent and solute respectively. Now xb upon xa, substituting these values, is equal to nb upon na plus nb into na plus nb upon na, reciprocal of this. Now these terms will be cancelled and you will get xb upon xa is equal to nb upon na, where na and nb again the number of moles of A and B, and this Na number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass of solvent A is Wa, its molar mass is Ma, and number of moles of B is mass of B, Wb upon Mb. Substituting in this equation xb upon xa, xb upon xa is equal to nb upon na, where nb is wb upon mb, xa is wa upon ma. Now rearranging this equation, इसको rearrange करेंगे, ma xb upon XA into MA. MA from this side goes to this denominator, gives you WB upon MB into WA. Just from this side MA goes to this side. Now again writing this equation, XB upon XA into MA is equal to WB upon MB into WA, multiplying both sides with 1000. This multiplied by 1000, this side also multiplied by 1000, and mark this equation as equation 1. We will be using later. Now come to the molality. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in grams multiplied by 1000. In terms of symbols, number of moles of solute is Nb, mass of solvent is Wa multiplied by 1000. Now Nb is the number of moles of solute is equal to mass upon molar mass. Substituting here, this is equal to WB upon MB into WA into 1000. This is molality, small m. Now if you compare this molality with equation 1, both are same. WB upon MB into WA 1000, WB upon MB WA 1000. So molality can be compared with equation 1 this side. Now molality, on comparing with equation 1, molality is equal to, we compare with mole fraction XB upon XA into 1000 upon MA. This XB into 1000, XA into MA. This is equal to molality. Now XA plus XB, mole fraction of all the components, is always equal to 1. That means XA is equal to 1 minus XB. XA plus XB is equal to 1. XA is equal to 1 minus XB. Substituting this value in this XA, what we get? Molality is equal to XB upon XA. XA, instead of writing XA, we will write 1 minus XB into 1000 upon MA. MA is the molar mass of solvent. So this is the relation between molality and XB, that is mole fraction of solute. Hope this video is important for you. Now we will be continuing in the next video with the next topic, solubility. Thank you very much.